any challenges that you've encountered so far as the Ministry of MSMEs, and then apart from that, and then what people should look up to for the Dala edition? I know the president will be there on Monday in Kisumu, and your parting shot.
Yeah. So first and foremost is just the excitement on Monday. It's just the excitement that in this part of the world that we have young people who've come forward and they have said they don't want to be job seekers, they want to be job creators. To me, this is really, really exciting, because for a long time we've been living with stereotypes where people say people from this particular region cannot do business, they're only looking for jobs, the white-collar jobs. But now, with time, this project and with the numbers that we have seen coming forward and the commitment we've seen in our young people, it shows that that has just been the stereotype. But indeed, in here, in this region, we have young people who are ready. All that they need is to be supported so that then they can help us to open up these areas, grow this area, industrialize this region, because they are going to form a community of young entrepreneurs in each and every ward. And this is really, to us, is a big one. And that's why we're saying we are taking this dollar to the rest of the world, because some of these businesses are the businesses that will be trading at the global market. These are the businesses that will transform our industrial status in this country and, of course, enhance our livelihood here. So it's a good thing. It's very much exciting that we have a community of over 8,000 young people who are daring to become job creators. So what to expect, of course, there will be high-level mentorship session led by His Excellency the President, and other leaders will be there just to show these young people that we value them and we have a lot of expectation in them, not just to uplift their wards or this region, but their contribution is going to be felt across this country, and who knows, probably across the world. We have massive opportunities out there. So it's big. You've already seen the excitement across the country. I mean, every region has brought out its best, and people are saying, we just need to be handheld, we just need support. So we expect it to take it higher, and that's why we have dubbed this. It's not just Dala, but it's an enigma edition.
Thank you so much, Madam Susan. That's all we had for tonight, and thank you very much for according us your time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Erokamano.
Erokamano. Manakumanya korong gajuang. Manoka.